Hello, people. Today is the last day of Summer Fossils, if you could even call this Summer Fossils. We've got a very unexpected update, which is a robot bird, which is interesting. Also, I don't know if my voice sounds weird, but it's in the morning, so yeah. Okay, so we're gonna check this out. Also, it looks like the skeleton has a egg. I want to see that. Okay, interesting. So, oh wow, this looks really cool. I like this. Okay, interesting. Now you can be a skeleton egg. But the real reason we're here is for the robot. It doesn't have a cool name, but you know what? That's fine. But we're gonna check it out. And also, for the first time in like a long time, I'm going to be at half max feathers. So, there we go. Oh my gosh, this looks cool. Okay, I'm gonna check out the egg first. I honestly thought when I saw that there was a robot bird, I thought, oh yeah, this is gonna be a new game pass. But no, it's not. Alright, it spawns in the Snowy Mountain, which is interesting, but okay. Ew, why is it got blood in there? It's a robot. Okay.
Eggs.
Okay, this looks really cool. I really like this. But, so, yeah, we got this really cool design. Look at this. There's so many different parts. Let's see what it sounds like. Wow. So it's basically like just like a robot Harpygornis. Very interesting. Alright, so let's see its animations here. Oh, I like that. It's like twitching. That's creepy, but also really cool. So it's kind of like it's just been powered off. If you close its eyes, yeah, it just looks like you just turned it off. Cool. Alright. Let's just now grow up and see what it looks like. Yes, you are, Max. You are very elegant. Wow, isn't it majestic? Let's see what it sounds like. I'm gonna guess just like a Harpygornis. Yeah, sort of a robotic Harpygornis. Okay, this kind of hurts my eyes. It's like, the animation is like, not super smooth, like there's some frames. It's not like, I know, I was just gonna say, this looks stop motion, but like super not smooth. I don't know. I don't know how I like that. I mean, I guess like, it's robotic and everything, but I feel like if it was robotic, it would still look smooth. It's not like it's in stop motion. Is it because you're fake? I'm not fake. I'm a real robot bird. Yeah. Okay, that's really cool. What is it doing? That's really weird. It's got a little dance. So kind of, in a way, it's got two displays. This almost looks like an intimidation display. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Stop. Stop. Stop attacking me. Of course it can fly. And... oh my gosh, that's so cool. Look, it does a little spin. It does a little spin. Look at that. That's so cool. my gosh, this is so cool! Oh, I need to do something real quick. Yeah, And if you thought the audio couldn't get any worse, oh, I'm saving you from this one because you literally couldn't hear what I was saying, so I'm gonna have to voice over this one because I still want to have this moment, because I thought it was cool and funny. Haha, I'm flying up here, and I'm totally not doing anything nefarious. No, I'm just flying normally. Oh, here we go. Ha ha ha! And there he goes. He's gone. Where could he go? I have no idea where he has gone, but he is gone. Into the stratosphere, maybe. It went all the way over here. Okay. So, I totally didn't forget to do the walking animations. But yeah, I mean, you can see the walking. You've probably seen that. But, also, this is this is a running animation. And, like, I'm sorry, but this looks goofy. This is so goofy. Why does it look like this? I don't know. It just looks wrong. I don't know. I just wish it was a little bit better. Like, I don't know. It's kind of weird. I'm not a huge fan of this animation. Also, I forgot to mention, but it's got these little rockets on its back, which is kind of cool. But I somehow did not notice while recording the video. So, yeah, if you didn't notice that, there it is. But one last thing is its swimming animation. Look at his little feet. They turn into little propellers. Oh my god, I can't speak. And I think it's kind of cool, actually. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. Those are the animations, yeah. So, back to the main video, I guess. Time to check out the fossil lab. Wow, so much to say. Did I, like, rampage throughout everywhere? Like, the lore! Yes! Oh, I see. Interesting, okay, so they made a sentient robot, and now it is scaring them, I guess. It doesn't seem very mean. Okay, there's an alarm. A very noisy alarm. It kind of like looks like it just exploded out of here. Interesting. I'm gonna be a non-robot bird to see if the dialogue changes. Alright, let's see. Does it say anything different? What am I? Why do I look like this? I was born, or did someone create me? Am I supposed to be here? I do not know my own strength. I didn't mean to frighten my creator. Okay, so it seems like it's just confused. I don't know why they're so scared. Yeah, it didn't do anything. It just like exploded out of its crate, I guess. Let's go see what these penguins have to say. Ever since I failed to bring back the Harpagornis, I've been trying to desperately fix what I did. All season, I'd been building a new body for a skeleton in secret, so it would not look like a monster. It doesn't look like a monster, it's just a skeleton. However, when I finished, I couldn't have predicted its reaction. Okay, so, yeah, my father finally finished that new body for the Harpagornis skeleton he was working on, but everything went wrong. It lashed out and destroyed everything in the lab. All his hard work ruined. I'm sure he did not mean this to happen, but I wish he would have told me. Alright, well, you know what? That's what happens when you try to fix your mistakes. Yeah, they explode and they ruin everything you love. I don't know where that came from, but There we go. There's the skeleton bird. Also, this is, I just have to say, very unexpected, but very, very cool. Also, I want to mention, this could be a very, like, a really cool thing, if we ever make, Xenowaves 2. I'm not saying we're making Xenowaves 2, I'm just saying this would be really cool to have, because it's like an alien robot thing. It could be like a helper or something for, like, the Ornithians. Very cool, and I'll consider it, if I ever make Xenowaves 2, because this, like, is very fitting for, like, a space, alien adventure. I don't know, but yeah. Anyway, that's the end of this video, and the end of Summer Fossils for real this time, and it looks like the next update is going to be the Kakapo, which is really cool. Can't wait for that. And oh my gosh, yeah, I didn't realize. Did it kill all the Summer Fossils birds? Yeah, they're all gone. It killed them. It killed them all. But I guess yeah, that's the end. Goodbye.